So we have grape tomato, avocados, green pepper, parsley, cucumber, red onions, and chickpeas. And we're gonna make it a chickpea salad. Right now, we're going to wash all this and prepare it for the salad. Now I've gone ahead to wash all this. It's tomato, chickpeas, parsley, avocado, green peppers, onions, cucumbers. It's all washed and clean. Now I'm going to slice it. Slice and dice. And let's make the salad. I'll start dicing my onions because it makes me cry. Now let's make diced cucumbers. Go ahead and do the green onions. Now we're going to chop off the parsley, whatever you call it. We're going to dice the avocados into cubes. Now we are all done with the preparing, with the cutting and dicing. We're gonna go ahead and mix it. Since this is my salad of the week, I'm going to be eating it for days. I'm going to go ahead and mix it in here and just put it in the freezer. So let's do it. Chickpeas, grape tomato, green peppers, cucumber, avocado, red onions, and our parsley. Got all those natural colors. They all look good. Now I'm going to season this a bit with black pepper and some salt. I don't have measurements. I just sprinkle till my ancestors tell me stop. And some cumin or cumin. Nope, put it on there. We need a little more for the flavor. Pour some vinegar on there. Just and some olive oil. Oh, that looks good. Mix, mix, mix. Ooh, that looks good. Exactly what we want for the week. Good. Now we're all done. Let's taste it. Perfecto.